Okay, students, so this is kind of an overview of inequalities. So first, what did the symbols mean? And then what are the words that describe the symbols? And then when you're graphing it, is it an open or a closed dot or circle? So here we have the symbol and it's read from left to right. So for example, if I had a variable here and then a number, I would say that x is greater than 8. So then think to yourself, what is a number that's greater than 8? That's what x could be. So it could be 9, could be 10, could be 272. Okay. Now, this is greater than or equal to. So it could be, if we had this same situation with this symbol, now can it be 8? Yes, it can be. Before, with this symbol, it cannot. But now with equal to, it can be. All right. And so then this symbol is less than, and this symbol is less than or equal to. Okay, when you have the line underneath, you're going to have a closed circle. But when you have no line, then you have an open circle. So that just shows, like, can F be 1? No, it cannot. But we're going to have an open circle at 1. And then we say that F is greater than 1. So that means it's any number on the number line that's greater than 1. Okay, and you'll notice that if the variable's on the left, that this actually matches what you're doing. It kind of points the right direction. If it's written with the variable on the right, that's not the case. Okay, so you can't trust this one to tell you which way to draw your line or your ray. Okay, so here we go. We're on 5. We go over here to 5. And it can be 5. So now I can draw a closed circle or filled in circle. And x is less than. So I'm going to draw my line where numbers are less than. So I just don't care for the way that this is written at all. I'm going to rewrite it. Well, that's totally legit. What you have to do to rewrite it is, what do you want? You want your variable on the left, and then the number stays the same. It wanted to eat the x. That's when you're a little kid, maybe they told you this. So it wants to open its mouth to whatever the thing is that's larger or bigger. So x, it wanted to eat x, it still wants to eat x. Okay. So now these two statements are exactly the same. This one is very easy to graph. I'm just going to go to where 7 is. It can't be 7 because there's no line under it. So I'm going to have an open circle. And then it says x is greater than 7. Okay, and then I'm just going to skip this one. I think that is enough of those.